Gotta scoot the snowflake over to the 13. To this one.
To that one?
Yeah.
That one.
Very good. 13 days until Christmas.
Yay.
Good afternoon, y'all. We're getting supper started in the slow cooker. This isn't gonna take very long though. We're just gonna cook it on high for about 3 hours. It's the slow cooker chicken noodle soup, and we just used a rotisserie chicken. So I already got it shredded and put in here. Now we're gonna put some carrots and celery. Since the chicken is already done, we're just cooking it for 3 hours to soften up the celery and the carrots and onion. Kids are excited because Christmas break starts soon. We have lots of fun things planned when that starts. We have some tickets already for a Victorian Christmas thing. I'm really excited about that. I think that's gonna be fun. They have it decorated Victorian Christmas style. I think there's some kind of wagon ride.
Why are there arrows?
That's how you turn up the time, how long you want it to cook for. You want to press it in a minute?
Yeah.
Okay, let me get it finished here. Oh, I forgot the onion. Goodness, we can't forget the onion.
Do I smell garlic?
No, now you smell onion. But you know what? I think I might put a little garlic in there too. We'll throw in a little garlic. Here's the onion. We'll put some salt and pepper. And now the chicken broth. I'm gonna do this whole, how many ounces are you? 48 ounces, I think. Yeah, 48 ounce carton. We're gonna let this cook for about 2 hours on high. Then we'll add in the egg noodles for about 45 more minutes. We'll add some water in too when we add the egg noodles. You're gonna press this button down right here. Press it down one time. Good job, you got it. This is the bottom.
The Christmas tree comes off.
Yeah. This is your bottom and this is the front. So Santa Claus, he goes right there.
So where
We
does
better
the
put the trees in
star
the back
go?
first.
Mama, where does the star go?
It's gonna go on top of these trees.
It's a good thing that there's stickers.
Okay, first I think you need to decorate your tree right here.
A big tree?
Yeah, put some of these ornaments on it. Here you go.
Okay. Oh, there we go. Thanks.
Oh.
There we go.
Yeah, now this one. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Okay, now where does Santa Claus go?
Santa Claus. He goes right here in this one.
Silver brown.
That's looking cute, Cece. I love the little peppermint top.
Ta-da!
Very good. Where you want to put it? You want to put it beside your bed?
Yeah. Snowman, Santa Claus, and mostly the presents at Noodle.
Who's Cece got over here? She's got Santa, Frosty, and who's that?
A penguin. Just a penguin.
James Penguin. Cece's trying to talk Manly into a trade. She wants the reindeer, so he's picking out what he wants. You want the penguin or the snowman?
Penguin.
Now you got James Penguin.
Yeah.
Okay, y'all, it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon now. I'm about to go ahead and write some stuff down in my planner. I was looking for my Christmas stickers. I have a few on this little piece right here. So today is Tuesday. I'm putting the meal plan in the planner first here. Tomorrow I think we're gonna do the slow cooker pulled pork. We always have leftovers from that, so we'll put Thursday as the leftovers day. You know what, we might do pulled pork nachos on that day because, you know, we'll have some pulled pork left over. And I love those barbecue pulled pork nachos. Friday is probably gonna be the out night. And then Saturday we'll do pork chops. And I think that'll cover everything. Oh no, the Supreme Pizza quesadillas. I'm gonna put the pork chops for Saturday. And on Friday, I'm gonna put out or the Supreme Pizza quesadillas because I might make those instead and we'll save Sunday for an out day or something. You know what, now I'm thinking I had to change my socks real quick because I stepped on a piece of ice that melted. There's one thing I can't stand, it's stepping on a melted piece of ice. Especially if I just had fresh socks on. I kind of wish I would have made those Supreme Pizza quesadillas tonight because they're sounding good. But I needed to hurry up and use that rotisserie chicken. So this planner comes with a Christmas checklist. So let's see what we have going on here. I have the home planner from Passionate Penny Pincher. It has a planning and baking section, shopping section, Christmas cards, gifting, baking supplies, remember to, gift wrapping supplies, and a gift list section right there. I'm pretty sure I got all of my baking supplies when I did my grocery haul last week. It was a lot of the Christmas baking stuff. Gift wrapping supplies, I want to get some of that brown paper that I was telling y'all about to wrap the presents in. I got gift tags and the little stickers. There's not a box on here, but I got the gift tags and little gift stickers. I already have that. I got some ribbon. I got that stuff from Dollar General last week. They were having their stuff on sale for 25% off. I got tissue paper. I got the scissors. I still need to get tape, the gift wrap, and a few things that I'll need gift bags for, I think, and baked goods packaging. I'm trying to decide. The past couple of years we've done the homemade breads to give as gifts. I think we did it the past 2 years. I'll link those videos down below if y'all want to see them. They're really cute. You get a little mini bread pan and then bake a homemade bread in it, wrap it up really pretty, and give them out as gifts. They're really, really pretty. But I'm trying to decide if I want to do that this year or something different. I need to figure that out. So let me add that to my to-do list. I thought about doing the cookie mix jars where you take a mason jar, you put the cookie mix in there, different toppings and stuff, tie a ribbon around it. That's also really pretty. Jonah made Manly a Ninja Turtle. What are those called, Manny?
Sticks that let me extra.
Okay.
It's a bow staff.
A bow staff? Oh, okay, a bow staff. Anyway, yeah, I thought about doing the cookie mix jars or something else. We'll figure that out. Decide a place to hide gifts. That's not hard. It's always my closet every year. Make service providers gift lists. So last year we went around and found police officers and firefighters and gave them gift cards to some of the restaurants in town. I think we'll do that again this year. We just go get the gift cards and then we, for real, like seriously, we just drive around. If we see a police officer, we stop and give them a gift card. Or we went to the fire station last year and I think Tyler jumped out and went in there and gave all of them a gift card. That's always fun to do. I think we'll do that again. I feel like it's really echoey in here because we're not finished with everything, so it's all still kind of out of place, but we'll show it to y'all when it's done. Don't forget the batteries, y'all. Usually every year I remind y'all right around Christmas Eve, don't forget the batteries. Stocking stuffers. The stocking stuffers video is coming up soon. Planned Christmas baking. I started doing that a little bit last night. We've already got pies taken care of. Those are in the freezer. We still have the pear pie, a sweet potato pie, and one other of the pies in there. Is it the Buckeye pie? No, we had it at Thanksgiving. There's some other pie in there. I can't remember which one it is, but we still have 3 pies in the freezers. Let's see. Planned Christmas dinner. I haven't done that yet. We usually have the same things. I might throw in a couple of new side dishes. Christmas Eve dinner, that'll be with the big family Christmas Eve party. Well, you know what? They changed that this year, I forgot. They're changing that to a lunchtime party. They're gonna have it at 12. We used to not have it until about 3 and then we would eat around 4. They're having it at 12 this year, so I will have to figure out something for Christmas Eve dinner. I really wanna do Christmas caroling this year, but the kids, they are gonna be like, no. I think Tyler's back. There's about an hour left on the cook time. I'm gonna go ahead and put the noodles in here. And I'm gonna start with just adding half a cup of water and I'll just keep a check on it and see if I need to add more. We're gonna put 2 cups of the wide egg noodles. We'll stir those in. This is smelling good. And I'm trying to decide if I want to make some cornbread or if we'll just have crackers with this. Maybe just crackers. We'll see. I'm helping sand the stair rail now so we can paint it. We'll see how quickly I get that done, then we'll decide cornbread or crackers.
Oh, how I wish for the Christmases of old, where the snow would fall and the air was crisp and cold, where we heard of angels up on high while building Frosty the Snowman until late outside. Oh, how I wish for the Christmases of old.
This is gonna be a good one, y'all.
Folks, I want to talk to you about termites here today.
Isn't it amazing? You think like, you know,
You see that?
1, 2,